All right, so let's take a look now at number 14 on test review 2. And it says that it wants a line that's perpendicular to 2x minus 3y equals 4. And it wants you to find the a value of a line that would be perpendicular. So here are the two equations. So in order for me to make this perpendicular to this very first equation, I first have to need to know what the slope is of the first equation. So once again, I'll put it into y equals mx plus b form. I'll add 2x to both sides. So I'll get, or I'll subtract 2x, sorry. And then I'm going to divide by -3. And so my equation is y equals 2/3 x plus 4/3. So I know the slope of this line is 2/3. Well, I don't really want the slope of this line. I want a slope of a line that's perpendicular. So we know that perpendicular lines have negative reciprocals. Or another way to think of it is you take the slope of the first one, you flip it, and change the sign. So I know the slope of a perpendicular line would be -3/2. All right, so then I want this a value to be equal to that. So in order to figure out what the slope of this line is in terms of that a value, let's go ahead and put this second equation into y equals mx plus b form. So I have 5y equals -ax plus 10. I'm going to divide through by 5. And now I have y equals -a/5x plus 2. So I know the slope of this line here is -a/5. Well, I want this slope here, -a/5, to be equal to -3/2. So let's just write an equation saying that. So, whoops. So I can say, and I'm right out of room, so I'm just going to erase something. So I'm going to just say up here that -3/2 is going to be the same thing as -a/5 because that's what I want to have happen. I want to know what is my a value that'll make this fraction 3/2. I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to get -2a equals -15. I can divide by -2. And you're going to see that the a value will be 15/2. So this is the value of a that will make that line perpendicular to my first line. So let me know if you have any questions on that.